Hello, this is Amy, Japanese Montessori Guide. Today, the second book in my Origami series is now available on Amazon Kindle. This book is great because kids 3 years and older can easily fold origami by themselves. They just match their paper to the diagrams, which are the same size as the origami in the book. The ebook is only $1 and the paperback is $10 available worldwide. Don't miss this chance to explore Japanese traditional art of origami. Also, the first book featuring a paper cup is available. Please check it. Thanks.